Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching vlog number 9. Hello everyone, you're watching vlog number 8 or 9 or 7. But next vlog, Wednesday vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 1st. Woohoo! It's 7:10 a.m. Wow. How cheerful am I at 7 a.m.? I would say that's very surprising. Or maybe it's not actually surprising for me, but it is unusual in general. Let's put it like that. We're approaching my favorite turn. It's only manageable at 7 a.m. 7 or 8. Well, maybe 8 is already... No. There will be too many people already. 7 is pretty busy too. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that someone is in the blind spot. Yesterday, a second video was posted successfully. Today, the third video is gonna be posted, and this video will be posted a Sonata of the new body. It came out before this car. I like how it looks like. It looks cool. Well, I'm gonna continue about my day. Film more later. I'm here. Once I started editing all the videos, I started noticing that I'm saying the same things once I turn on the camera, like hello guys, like I'm still here, my day is still going well, or hopefully still going. That was my exhaust, if someone didn't understand. I'm still sleepy, so I have my thoughts are not clear at all. They're not even muddy, they're asleep, like totally blacked out. Like it's like in that photo or in that video of my last 2 brain cells, and then it's like Patrick and SpongeBob, they're walking, and Patrick is asking SpongeBob, what do you want to do this summer? And then the other answers, I don't know, what do you want to do this summer? And the other says, I don't know, what do you want to do this summer? I don't know, what do you want to do this summer? And they keep walking like that, and it's like the whole summer passes by. Yeah, it's 7:51 and everyone is in the rush. Everyone is trying to turn fast, accelerate fast, turn on this light if it's possible, no matter what. I should have closed the windows because it's very loud and you guys probably can't hear me. The temperature is staying at 26 degrees and it looks like it's going to rain. It's 9:24. Those are the updates for now. Nothing much changed. Not a lot of time went by, but wanted to tune in and say hello before the rain starts. I think next time or one after that I'm gonna turn on the camera, it's gonna be raining. But it is what it is. Well, and just like I was saying, the rain is starting. You can see the cloud coming from over there. You can see clouds in general, and you can start to see drops. Meanwhile, my day is continuing. It's 10:16 and I'm still working. The temperature is 23 degrees, not 33 anymore, and it's probably gonna drop, I would assume, by another 10 degrees because of the rain, but we'll see. I also wanted to say that I had some time to read a little bit. I had like a half an hour break, which I'm very happy about, and I have another 20-minute break right now, which I'm gonna also use for reading. I'm getting through this book. I'm pretty much halfway through. It's pretty interesting, and it's interesting to read more and more about it. Well, I'm gonna go read a little bit, and I'll see you guys later. I'm sitting here reading, and it's raining pretty hard, and I'm filming the time-lapse and there's no sound, so I decided to turn on the video so you guys can hear the sound because it's pretty atmospheric here. Well, I should turn on some sounds of nature as well. Sounds of nature, there we go. What should we add? Come see. No, we need like rainy day. Well, we got that. Lovely forest. But they wouldn't be singing like that if the rain would be falling. So it's just a rainy day. I guess that's enough. Open. Oh yeah, there. That's it. There we go. Open air cafe. It's a terrace with the roof, so the rain doesn't fall on you. Or a warm fireplace. You're inside. It's raining outside. And you have a nice warm fireplace. And you're reading a book. What could be better? I've decided to film from this point of view at this point. Heavy rain has stopped. It's just showers right now. The temperature didn't drop by 10 degrees how I thought. It only went down by 1. It was 23 and it's now 22. And of course there's something happening on the street that I need to go to. It's usually almost always like that. No, I'm joking. It's not almost always like that, but oh my god. Okay, let's not go there. Well, everyone is safe and sound. It looks like it. GoPro is my dash cam right now. I'm still here. Time is 12:33. Rain has stopped, as you can see, and temperature dropped to 18 degrees. I had a little bit more time to read. I'm really happy that I got a lot of time to read today. I'm getting through the book. I hope that I'm gonna finish it by the end of this week or next week, and I'll be able to move to the next one. Probably it's going to be 80-20 rule. Book's called like that. I have challenged myself to read 12 books this year, and I've done 5 already. I'm reading the 6th. Wow. Or I've done 4 and I'm reading the 5th. I forgot everything. I think it's 5. I read 5. I'll make videos on Instagram, maybe in stories or separate videos about each one of those books, and if I liked it, if I didn't like it, and if I suggested. I will suggest all of them, and I liked all of them. I'll give you a small insight right now, and I'll maybe give like a small summary or just say what that book was about. Nice black matte BMW. I think it was M4. How is everyone doing? Write down in the comments how are you doing right now, and I'll check it out later. My day is going fine. The temperature went up to 19 from 18. I think 18 was the lowest that I saw today. I think this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you very much everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. This was Driving Approach. My name is Alexei, and bye.